Hello guys, today we are going to unbox and reviewing the new Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. The Liberty 3 Pro Buds support the high-quality LDAC codec and are high-res audio wireless certified. Anker redesigned its Astria coaxial acoustic architecture. Version 2.0 delivers stronger bass and improved mids and treble, as well as widening the soundstage. In the box we have cable USB Type-C, the usual paperwork like the quick start guide, different sized ear tips, much more than most companies give you, providing a lot of options for getting the perfect fit. The new charging case is sort of like the Liberty Air 2 case. It's closer in size and shape. Finally, the Liberty 3 Pro Buds, they comes without ear tips, so that's an extra plus because when they come with the ear tips already installed, you just stick them in without bothering to try them out. The buds themselves have been redesigned for a more comfortable fit, and they are IPX4 rated for protection against rain. Battery life for the buds is 8 hours. With the case, the total listening time is 32 hours. The case supports both wired and wireless charging. The Soundcore app allows you to select EQ modes, activate 3D surround sound, customize the touch controls, and more. Also, you can use Hear ID to tailor the sound profile to your hearing. With the Hear ID test, your noise cancellation can be tailored to your ear shape, eliminating pressure-related discomfort that you may get from certain ANC buds. You can also turn on 3D surround sound for a more spatial experience, customize the touch controls, and listen to Soundcore's streaming service LUM, which purports to showcase grassroots artists. Thanks for watching.